Hello guys, welcome to my admin tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Valorant not updating after latest update. So before going to start the video, if you not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your Valorant is not updating or it is stuck while updating or it is updating very slow, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to open the task manager. Just right click on this start menu, click on task manager. In this, if you find Valorant or any Riot client, you just need to end task. Just you need to right click on that and click on end task. After that, you just need to click on start menu, then type here cmd, right click on this command prompt and click on run as administrator. Here you need to click on yes. After that, you need to type two commands. First command is sc space delete vgc and hit enter. After that, second command is sc delete space vgk and hit enter. Guys, I had not installed the Valorant, so it's showing this specified service does not exist as an installed service, so it's not showing here. After typing this both command, just close this window and you need to open this my computer or this PC. Go to the C drive, go to program and files. Under program and files, if you find any folder Riot Vanguard or Riot, just you need to right click on that and click on delete. After deleting this folder, once you have to restart your laptop or desktop. After restarting your laptop or desktop, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Valorant not updating after latest update. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.